Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Whois APIs and performing reverse lookup commands in Postman. Whether you're a developer, a cybersecurity expert, or just someone curious about domain data, this video is for you. We'll be covering the phone reverse lookup, email reverse lookup, name reverse lookup, company reverse lookup, and keyword reverse lookup. So let's get started. We already covered the latest domain updates in our previous videos. If you missed that, check out the link in the description and watch it now because all our videos are interconnected. Watching the series in order will give you a better understanding. So what is a Whois API command? A Whois API command or request is an HTTP request made to a Whois API endpoint to retrieve domain registration information. The Whois API interacts with Whois databases to provide information such as domain ownership, registration dates, contact details, and other relevant data. These requests are typically structured in a way that the server can understand and respond to with the requested information. But why do we use different API requests rather than just one? Different requests are used to provide targeted, efficient, and flexible access to specific types of domain information, optimizing performance and usability. To perform these requests, we'll be using Postman. Go to the body section. I already have the API documentation open. Here we find the Reverse Lookup API and copy the URL for our first request phone lookup. Paste the URL into Postman. We'll set this as a GET request. Now back to the API document. We copy the code and paste it into Postman. For example, we are using the phone number 9999999999999, but you can enter any number you like. And now place in your API here. Remember, when you sign up with Whois Data Center, you get your API key. These are the different requests you can perform with your API. The API documentation is very helpful, and you can find the link in the description. Click the Send button to perform the Whois Phone Reverse Lookup. Now, let's overview some options in Postman. Here, you can see the Save option. By clicking this button, you can save the request. We'll name this file Reverse Phone Lookup and save it. You can open this file later whenever you want to perform a reverse phone lookup. You can also save the records by clicking here and naming the file Reverse Phone Lookup. You can select the format here: JSON, XML, HTML, text, auto. Now that you know how to perform a reverse phone lookup, it will be easy for you to perform other reverse lookups. For example, if you want to perform an email reverse lookup, you just replace email with name in the URL. Here we replace phone with email in the URL. In the code, we also replace it in the email section. We use example at example.com. Then click the Send button. Just like that, you can perform other lookups as well: company, keyword, and name. And that's a wrap on our overview of Whois API reverse lookup commands using Postman. Using Postman makes it easy to see the power and utility of each endpoint. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.